Are you obsessed with hot sauce like I am? I love making my own hot sauces, and this raw hot sauce is the easiest, most versatile one ever. You can make it using any hot peppers you want, and it takes about 5 minutes in the blender. It is just zesty and garlicky and spicy and perfect, and I love to smother it on all of the food. Let's do it! Start by removing the tops from your jalapenos. If you want your hot sauce to be less spicy, slice them in half lengthwise and remove the seeds and also the veins that run through them. That'll reduce the heat. Now peel your garlic and add the jalapenos and garlic to the blender, along with apple cider vinegar for zestiness. You want to cover them about 2/3 with the vinegar, not all the way, that'll make your hot sauce too thin. Blend until smooth and then taste it to see if it's got the flavor that you want. At this point, add a little salt if it needs it, and you can add a little bit of sugar to cut the heat if it's too spicy. After you add your salt and sugar, blend and taste again and keep adjusting the seasonings, blending after you add until you have it exactly how you want it. From there, you can store it in a jar in the fridge where it'll keep for about 3 weeks. Where will you use this hot sauce first? I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make this raw hot sauce. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I am always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!